Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Facebook page to WhatsApp business. First and foremost, you must have your Facebook page and you must have your WhatsApp business in order for you to proceed with this tutorial. So basically you have to open your Facebook page right here. So if you're currently using your Facebook account, you have to switch to your Facebook page. Now you have to tap this three lines and then look for the gear icon. You should go to your settings and privacy. So tap this gear icon right here. This is your settings and privacy. And then after that, you have to scroll down. And then you will see this link accounts right here. So you have to tap this one. And then you have two options, connect your Instagram or your WhatsApp. So all you have to do is to click this WhatsApp right here. Enter your WhatsApp business account number. So after you enter that, you have to click this send to WhatsApp. Okay, so let me type my number right here. And then once I receive the code on my WhatsApp application, all I have to do is to enter the code here. And then that's it. Once you have entered or once you have added the confirmation code, and then all you have to do is to continue. And basically, if you go back to your Facebook account and go to link account, you will see there that your WhatsApp business account has been linked to your Facebook page. As easy as that. Or it will ask for this confirmation again. All you have to do is to tap continue, and that's it. So basically, that's how to connect WhatsApp business to Facebook page. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.